want to know what's going on for real, you got to peel back a layer from what those who want you to see, what they want you to see, are showing you. Larry, NoMoreHoldingBack.com, T3Method.com. I'm in Nassau, the Bahamas. That is where I had the best lunch of the whole trip. Let me tell you. I had a whole bunch of really good lunches on the cruise ship where we've been staying. That is the soup lady. And she is about 2 or 3 blocks off the beaten path, which you don't even see it from up here. Good decent walk to get here. That pink complex in the wall in front of it. It's actually some of the government complexes. In fact, that one in particular is the Ministry of Health. Down there is the last of the potato bread that I had. That is a bird who's looking to get at my potato bread. That is a gentleman who I gave half of my potato bread to because he asked. Some things are universal. Hang on. Hi there. What I was saying, what I was saying is everybody who's showing you something is not showing you what you want to see. They're showing you what they want you to see. And it's usually pretty benign. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but here we go. Go all the way down there. See all the tourist mecca. Again, there's nothing wrong with it. It's entertaining, it's fun. And it's exactly what you would see in New York, or Florida, or Texas, or Hong Kong, or anything else. Same t-shirts for sale, same chain restaurants, same everything. Walk it back a layer, peel it back, look for something that you might not otherwise see. Because that's where the real stuff is. And that's where the gold is. You want to make that a marketing message, a health message, or whatever message, go for it. Come play, NoMoreHoldingBack.com, get on the free newsletter. Catch you later.